In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize annotations in Tableau, a handy feature that can enhance your data visualizations by adding context, insights, and clarity. Annotations can be an excellent way to highlight specific data points or trends, and they're relatively easy to add once you know the steps. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to decide which element of your chart or view you want to annotate. This could be a specific mark, a particular point of interest, or an entire area depending on what you want to emphasize or explain further. Once you've decided, simply click on that mark or anywhere within your view that you'd like to annotate. Next, you'll need to right-click, which will bring up a menu. From here, navigate to the Annotate option. At this point, you have several choices. You can choose to annotate a mark, a point, or an area. The choice here depends on the level of detail or spotlight you want to provide. For instance, if you're highlighting a specific data peak, selecting Mark might be your best bet. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice a text box appears. This is where you can begin to craft your message. For example, if you're pointing out a particularly high sales figure in March, you might type highest sales in March. It's important to make your message clear and concise to ensure your audience understands exactly what you're pointing out. Now, you'll have access to some basic formatting tools. These allow you to refine the look of your annotation text. You can make text bold or italic, or even change the font and color to make sure it aligns with the rest of your visual theme in Tableau. Once you're satisfied with how your annotation looks, you can click OK, and your annotation will appear directly on the chart. The next step is to customize the position and appearance of your annotation to ensure it integrates seamlessly into your visualization. You can easily drag the annotation box to reposition it wherever it fits best within your chart. If needed, resize the box to avoid overlapping with other chart elements that could obscure your message. To further refine the appearance, click on the annotation border. Here, you have the option to change the background color, border color, and adjust the font size and color, ensuring your annotation stands out or blends in as you see fit. Lastly, pay attention to the leader line, which is the line that connects your annotation to the specific data mark. Adjust it to make certain that it's clearly indicating the correct data point. Before we head into the final tips, just a quick reminder that you can find a download link for Tableau at the top of the description below if you haven't installed it yet or need to update your version. This ensures you're working with the latest features available. Remember, annotations in Tableau are a powerful tool not just for adding notes, but for making your data narrative more impactful and accessible to anyone who views your work. With these steps, you should be able to effectively bring more context and value to your data visualizations with annotations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.